Hello, in this video I want to show you how to apply tempered glass to your XIAOMI Redmi 10A. So in most of the glasses you should get these two wipes, first and the second. First one is a wet and the second is dry. So that means you'll need to start with this one. So let's open it. Now lock your device so that you won't open anything when doing this, and here's a wet wipe. You can add some glass cleaner onto it to maybe soften it up and improve the cleaning process of the screen, but in this case I'm just gonna clean it like that. Make sure that the screen is very clean and don't have any particles. From here, take the dry wipe and also do the same process. Swipe all over the screen so that it's perfectly clean. Also try not to touch your phone with bare fingers, as this will you'll need to repeat the entire process when you leave any fingerprint mark on the screen. Alright, so I think the screen is ready for application. I usually place it this way. Now we can take the tempered glass. On it you can find the paper usually, and remove the sticky part. Now also make sure about the orientation where you want to put the glass, because in this case I have a camera hole right here. Now try placing it like this, so from one side it goes up a bit, and it should be fine now. It is fine. Now we can take the dry wipe and remove any bubbles. Now use a bit of the force, don't worry, nothing should break. So everything is fine except this little gap right here, but that is not. That is basically the small dent on the glass itself, as I think it was damaged, but I didn't notice it. You can see the dent right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.